Hello, I'm George Lake, and I am College of Technology, and I'm teaching in the Ignite Their Future summer camp, and we're doing the Lego Robotics strand. And the idea behind this is to get the students exposed to programming, different programming languages with a platform that is exciting, enjoyable, and easy to understand. And Lego's actually done very good with these kits with their explanations and their instructions that make it fairly easy to get involved into.
I think there's a lot of application into real-world careers and professions from the skills they develop in this camp. We are having them build robots and compete, and there's certainly some fun there. There's a lot of troubleshooting, critical thinking, programming, of course, and a lot of other soft skills like communication that go into working with a team, solving a difficult problem, and as you can see behind us, having some fun while they do it.